How can TBH be used in a sentence?
Hey there, language learners and text slang enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of internet abbreviations. Specifically, we're going to tackle the meaning of TBH and how to use it in a sentence. TBH stands for to be honest, a phrase that you've probably seen quite often if you spend any time online.
What does TBH mean?
TBH is an initialism in text speak that stands for to be honest. It's often used in digital communication like texting, social media, or email. The purpose of TBH is to introduce a statement where you're going to give your honest opinion or truth. It might be about a particular subject, or it could be used to express your feelings or thoughts about something.
How can TBH be used in a sentence?
There are countless ways to use TBH in a sentence, and the context largely depends on the conversation you're having. Let's take a look at a few examples. 1. In a casual, informal context. TBH, I didn't really enjoy the movie last night. 2. In a friendly, conversational context. TBH, your new haircut looks amazing. 3. In a serious, personal context. TBH, I've been feeling a bit lonely lately. Remember, the phrase TBH is best suited to casual or informal conversations. It's not typically used in formal or professional writing or speaking.
What should I be aware of when using TBH?
While TBH is quite handy for expressing honest opinions, it's important to note that it can sometimes come across as blunt or potentially offensive, depending on the context. It's always good to keep in mind who you're speaking to and the nature of your relationship when using phrases like this. So, there you have it. You've learned what TBH stands for and how to use it in a sentence. Remember, like any slang or abbreviation, it's always best used in appropriate contexts and with consideration for the tone of the conversation. TBH, we're glad you joined us for this lesson and we hope you found it useful. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of internet slang.